Just because the T shape fits perfectly through the cutout on the front of the box, it does not mean it'll help you solve the puzzle. You can start by fitting 4 of these T's into the box, but when you try fit that 5th or even 6th T into the box, there'll be no way to get these 2 pieces into the frame. So instead, dump out all these T's and try think about it in a different way. Now you can just start by fitting these pieces into the tray and to see how they'll fit together, but I like to build a shape outside of the tray that'll help me fit these pieces inside. Start by packing one of these T's into the box like this. Then we can take one more T and fit it in and push it off to the side. Take the 3rd T, place it in like this as well, and push it off to the other side of the puzzle. Now it looks like we can just take these last 3 T's and fit them into the box. We get one like this, we can get the second one like this, but unfortunately this T is still sticking outside of the box. So instead, take these T's out and we're going to actually stand these T's up in the box. Take one more T and insert it in through the top. And lastly, slide that last T into the box. To get the 6T puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.